Hey everybody, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress, and we are now in a brand new section where we're going to code our resources page. But first I want to explain to you the importance of a resources page and why you should have one in every one of your websites. Check it out. Okay, so this is what the resources page looks like on the Bootstrap to WordPress final WordPress site. And as you can see, it's very simple. Right now, I only have 3 resources listed. I have JustHost, Coda 2, and Dropbox. You've heard me sing the praises of these many times, especially JustHost and Coda. I use them every day, and they make my life and my business easier. In fact, they make me money. And the reason why they make me money is because they are my affiliate links. And affiliate links are useful when you are trying to promote a product that you stand behind. Now, there are people who use affiliate links simply just to make money, quick and dirty, and they've never used the resources before. However, I don't ever do that. The resources that I suggest to you as a student are the resources that I would suggest to my family members and my friends. They are amazing, these tools that I use, and I always use them extensively before I even think of recommending them, because I want you to trust me and the resources that I give to you. So when I say check out JustHost, they're amazing, I'm saying that because they're amazing and they make my life easier. Same with Coda 2. You see it right here. Coda 2, I use it all the time. I use it for all my courses. I use it for my client websites, my personal websites. In fact, I'm even making my mother's website right now. I'm using Coda 2 and JustHost and Dropbox. So trust me when I say these are useful tools. Now, coming back, I digress. Resources pages are incredibly useful because they let your customers, your clients, your friends, your visitors, your audience know, hey, these are useful. And these tools should be tailored towards your audience and what they're visiting your site for. So when they visit my site, for example, right here, bradhussey.ca, I have a resources page, obviously, and I'm listing out my everyday must-have tools: JustHost, GoDaddy, 1Password, X, Coda, everything like that. And then I have code editors, invoicing and time tracking. So my resources are tailored to my audience, you guys who want to learn how to code, you want to learn how to live like a freelancer, you want to live passionately, you want to work for yourself, you kind of want to live unconventionally. And so my tools and my resources reflect that. So when you come to a resources page, I'm giving you tools that will help make your life easier, like they've made my life easier. And that's what resources pages are for. So it's very obvious why resources pages are incredibly important. A bonus of why resources pages are incredibly useful and beneficial is because it's an incredibly valuable page on your blog, your website, your client's website, your niche website, because it can make you money. And it shouldn't be a surprise to you when I say you use your affiliate links, and if somebody clicks on your link, your product, your resource, your suggestion, you can get a commission from that. Now, they're small commissions. Sometimes they're a couple bucks. Sometimes they could be as high as 100. But when you have volume and people visit your site and they trust you, and you give them something useful, and they click that link, you're going to get a commission for it. In fact, just last month, my resources page, now I don't make money blogging. I make money as a web developer, coding WordPress websites and building websites, consulting, things like that, selling courses. My blog, I don't make money on my blog. However, my resources page is the only page that makes me money. In fact, last month, my resources page made me roughly $900. So it's small in terms of my full-time income, but $900, that's awesome. So on top of helping your audience and listing out useful tools, you can get paid for having a resources page, essentially. So good tip. All right, back here to our resources page. This is the resources page on Bootstrap to WordPress. It's very simple. So we're going to code that out. We're going to use some Bootstrap grids. And once we get this into WordPress, I make it incredibly easy so that you can add new resources to your page. And I think you will find it incredibly useful. So let's jump in.